To fix the issue of Cash App not letting you receive money, follow these steps. First, ensure your Cash App account is active and verified, as this is a requirement to receive money. Verify your account by providing the necessary identification and information, such as your name, date of birth, and social security number. Next, check your internet connection to ensure it is stable and working properly. A poor internet connection can prevent you from receiving money on Cash App. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network to resolve any connectivity issues. Check your Cash App balance and account status to ensure there are no issues or restrictions. If your account is restricted or frozen, you will not be able to receive money. Contact Cash App support to resolve any account restrictions or issues. Ensure your recipient has the correct cash tag or phone number associated with your Cash App account. If the recipient has an incorrect cash tag or phone number, the payment will not be successful. Double-check the information with the recipient to ensure it is accurate. Check the payment status to ensure it has been sent and is pending. If the payment is still pending, it may take a few minutes to process. If the payment has been canceled or failed, the recipient will need to try again. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, try restarting the Cash App or uninstalling and reinstalling it. This can often resolve technical issues and allow you to receive money again. If you are still experiencing issues, contact Cash App support for further assistance. It is also important to note that Cash App has daily and weekly receiving limits, which may be limiting your ability to receive money. Check your account limits and consider verifying your account to increase these limits. By following these steps and best practices, you should be able to resolve the issue and receive money on Cash App successfully.